Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix StandBy not working on iPhone 15. StandBy is designed for iPhone users to view information at a glance while charging the device. It provides quick access to the time, messages, photos, notifications, and other information without needing to unlock your iPhone 15. StandBy is great until it refuses to work or your iPhone 15 won't enter the mode at all. You plug the device into a charger and tap the phone's screen. All you get is the normal lock screen instead of StandBy mode. Why does StandBy mode refuse to work? Disabled StandBy feature, improper usage, charging issues, system malfunctions, activated low battery mode, outdated operating system, and so on. Here are some steps you can attempt when StandBy isn't working on iPhone 15. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Turn on StandBy feature. This seems obvious, but some people forget to enable StandBy or turn it off without knowing. Your iPhone 15 won't enter StandBy mode if it's disabled. You can check it by navigating to the settings menu. Scroll down a little bit and tap StandBy. To turn on StandBy, switch the toggle to green on position. Test if your iPhone 15 goes into StandBy properly now. The screen will show Welcome to StandBy if this is your first visit. Step 2. Double-check your use of StandBy. After setting up StandBy correctly, make sure you're doing it right to activate the mode properly. First, plug your iPhone 15 into a charger. Second, press the sleep/wake key to lock the screen. Third, lay the device on its side, which means to position it horizontally and tilt it at a certain angle. Sometimes the phone might not detect the orientation correctly. You'll need to adjust the angle or use a stand while putting your iPhone 15 in landscape mode until StandBy is activated. After you complete all the instructions as directed, StandBy should work again. If you find StandBy mode not staying on iPhone 15, turn on Always On Display feature. It will show StandBy all the time instead of activating it after tapping the display. Step 3. Check the charging accessories. For StandBy to work, your iPhone 15 must be plugged into a charger or charging wirelessly with a MagSafe charger. You may encounter iPhone 15 StandBy mode not working if the device fails to charge. It could stem from a bad or uncertified charging cable or charger, or a dirty charging port. To resolve it, inspect the charging accessories for any visible signs of damage like frays or cracks. It's suggested to utilize the original cable and charger, or those with an MFI certificate. Next, use a soft and dry brush to clear out blockages from the bottom port. After that, test if you manage to get StandBy to work on iPhone 15 now. Step 4. Shut down iPhone 15 then power it on. Occasionally, StandBy mode refuses to work due to overloaded RAM, faulty cache or software bugs. The simple fix here is to power cycle your iPhone 15 to clear away all these issues. To perform a regular restart, hold down one of the volume buttons and the side button. When a red power off slider appears, let go of both buttons and move it to the right. Your iPhone 15 will switch off within seconds. To turn it back on, hold down the side button again until the Apple logo pops up. After starting up, you should be able to activate StandBy on your iPhone 15 now. Step 5. Disable low power mode. If you've set it up, the low power mode will be automatically enabled if the battery is below 25% even when it's charging. Some users find iPhone 15 won't go into StandBy mode with low power mode turned on, and switching it off can resolve the issue. If you're facing the same scenario, try these instructions to access StandBy again. Open Settings. Tap on Battery. Locate the low power mode option. If it's on, switch the toggle to the off gray position. Step 6. Update iOS to the latest version. Some users have reported that upgrading the operating system sorts out issues with StandBy. Whether StandBy doesn't work on your iPhone 15, is stuck or won't activate, try updating iOS. Make sure your device has at least 20 GB free storage available, plugs into a power and is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then, follow these instructions. Head to Settings. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. If it shows you a new iOS available, just tap Download and Install to start the updating process. Once done, test if this trick makes StandBy functional again on your iPhone 15. That's all for how to fix StandBy not working on iPhone 15. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions about getting iPhone 15 to enter StandBy, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.